everybody, it's me, Abia. I'm AbigaleKirsten and welcome to my channel. If you've been watching my videos before, welcome back, guys. If you're new to this channel, don't subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. The sun was out, it was shining, you know, the birds were chirping, but when I put my makeup on, it started raining. And that's why in the middle of my video, you may be able to hear some thunder, some raindrops, but it's naturally happening, guys, so let nature come. I didn't sleep well, my room's a mess, my hair is hella oily, but the one thing that's not gonna be a mess today is them eyebrows. So instead of filming a long intro, guys, we're just gonna get into it because I know I'm the queen of long intros, so let's get snappy. Guys, it's raining. How am I gonna record audio with this right next to my camera? Wind, can you please calm down? It's just for 15 minutes today. So for this tutorial, you're gonna need a few tools. You're gonna need this guy right here, the best investment I ever made for my eyebrows. It does everything so beautifully and finessed. It takes such a little time and it reduces the hassle of tweezing. Now I am gonna use a tweezer for this tutorial as well, but this is gonna come in handy and I'm gonna show you why. I don't know if the camera will catch it. Yeah, so it's a Magic by Master Barber. So I've seen a lot of videos before on Instagram and YouTube about barbers shaving the beards of their clients, and I saw how detailed it goes to their beards where it's like a line, and I'm like, why can't we use that for brows? A lot of people might be against using this mainly because it's so sharp. Everything's sharp, like even blades to use for eyebrows, but anyways, a lot of people might be against using it because they see guys wearing it. If it gets the job done, guys, like suck it up, like come on, like who even cares? So when I went to Sally Hansen's, I asked for this. The blade is extra, it kind of inserts itself in here in case you guys go and grab one yourselves, which is a hell of an investment because I got this last year and I never had to like throw it out. The blades inside are separate and I'm going to show you how. Tools kind of turn me on, so TMI, but you know what they do. If you give me like a screwdriver, that works better than the other one. I get so excited when I see toolboxes, and this is like this is cool. You just push the underneath up over here, you take it out. Over here is where the blade slips out. These little guys over here are the extra ones that you have to pay for, but this special blade is $25. Listen, as long as it does the work, it's faster than tweezing, less painful, lasts you a long time, it's better for the environment, you don't have to keep throwing out plastic razors, so it's a little bit better in all aspects just for $25 versus paying $3.99 for blades month after month, and you're probably paying $60 for the whole year versus $25 for many years. Just slip it back on. You can tell I have so much fun with this, and then close it for safekeeping so no one gets cut if they ever grab it. And that's a little tool tutorial. You're also gonna need a tweezer. I've gotten this one. It's a little different from all the other tweezers because they're not blunt. They don't have that curvature where it's like rounded. And why I like pointy ones is that it can really go up into your root, the specific hair that you want, and pull it out. And if you guys cannot find this, you can use this one. Is also available in many stores, and I don't recommend blunt razors because one, you tug at your hair at such a point that you rip skin, it burns after, you don't want that. So yeah, you're also gonna need a pair of scissors. This is to trim the hair at the end. Don't use a regular scissor on your eyebrows, guys. You're gonna cut off more hair than you do. Ugh. So let's finally start doing my eyebrows now. Oh my god, there's a lint right in my eye. If that gets on my eyeball, there will be hell. Hate it! So there's a certain way I like doing my eyebrows. You have to first make sure you know the shape that you want your eyebrows to be. So I like when I contour my nose for it to go up like that and join my eyebrows. I like a rounded look. I used to go for the high arched look before. It's too harsh for my face. You can outline your eyebrows to see where you should not over pluck. So at this point you can see the outline. Now anything that falls under that line, I will be plucking out. So get your tweezers ready. Before you ever pluck your eyebrows, make sure your skin is dry, no oils, no lotion, nothing like that. And we always start with the bottom first before we go to the top. Okay, so next we're gonna use this tool that I was talking about, and we're going to put the razor against the top of our eyebrow. I'm gonna be using the conditioner from Beauty and Planet. It's vegan and cruelty free and 100% recycled plastic. That's a win in my books. Why I'm using conditioner instead of soap is that soap kind of goes into your pores, conditioner just lays on the surface, and that's what we want. The reason why I'm putting anything at all is because a blade going against skin can make the skin very dry and agitated, versus having a conditioner on it will make it glide nicely without damaging any skin on the surface. So I'm going to take this blade and scratch out small tiny increments of the hair as I go closer to my eyebrow. So when you use this razor to do your eyebrows, make sure to tug at your skin like that and go in small increments. I cannot do this because I'm holding a mirror while I do it, but for you guys, do that. So after you're done with the razor, if you find that there's tiny hairs that the razor didn't take out, you can go with your tweezer and basically pull out some of the hair that was remaining just to touch it up. Next, we're going to take the pair of scissors that we have right here, and we're going to bring all of the hair to the front, making it all fluffed out so that we can cut it and shape it. So I went ahead and I filled those brows to show you the exact shape that I created. It looks so clean and is basically done in such a small amount of time, for free, in your house, pain-free, and I'm going to show you a comparison between this eyebrow and that one. So guys, I finally finished both my eyebrows. I'm going to show you how they look. As you can see, they're very clean. There's no remaining hair. It's very clean cut to the point, nice and rounded, and really frames the eye and the face. And trust me guys, this just doesn't only work on my eyebrows. If you do your eyebrows this way, you get maximum effect. A lot of people, when I worked in customer service, used to always compliment my eyebrows because I get to perfect the shape that I want, that I think is flattering for my face, and it's not according to the worker I choose to do my eyebrows what they think is good for my face. They used to do it either really thin, or they used to leave spaces that I didn't want. This time I get to do what I feel from my face shape and what complements me. If you guys think that this may not be good for someone with thin eyebrows, rest assured, I used to do my own manager's eyebrows where I used to work, and she used to take me apart and be like, "Yo, let's go to the bathroom, do my eyebrows, Abby." She had like thinner eyebrows than I, so anyone can do this basically. It doesn't really matter. As long as you got hair on your eyebrows, it should work. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you can learn something from it. I hope that you go get this tool. That's basically going to save you a ton of money other than spending $5 to $10 threading your hair every time. You know, I'm all about that easy life and not making things extra complicated than they already are. Don't forget to like, share, thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button down below so you can get notified whenever I upload any new videos in the future. Hope to see you guys real soon. Have a great day and babushki.